Hello everyone, I am Shridhar Shukla and this is my submission for Kaggle's AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding Capstone project with Google. Today I will demonstrate AI Research Assistant, a multi-agent application built using Google ADK, Google Gemini, Anti-Gravity, Streamlit and Python, and that helps researchers analyze academic papers in seconds. Researchers spend a significant amount of time reading papers before understanding the key contributions and limitations. My goal was to build an AI-powered research assistant that automates this process using specialized AI agents. The application follows a multi-agent architecture. A coordinator agent orchestrates specialized agents responsible for summary generation, contribution extraction, limitation analysis, and future research suggestions. Let us see the live demonstration. I will upload a fresh new research paper PDF file. This system extracts the paper text, invokes multi-agents, and generates structured output. Here it is a download report section. Users can download the complete analysis as a formatted report for future reference. This is the technology stack: Google ADK, Gemini 2.5, Streamlit, PyMo PDF, Python, and Anti-Gravity. And this is the future roadmap: chat with paper, multi-paper comparison, citation network, literature review, and semantic search. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how AI agents can simplify academic research by transforming lengthy research papers into structured insights. Thank you so much for watching the live demonstration of functioning of multi-agents RAG in my AI Research Assistant project. Explore this application by yourself live through the URL test in the comments and description section. Thank you so much again.